End users benefit from machine as a service because ultimately they're offloading the risk associated with choosing the right vendor and ensuring that that asset performs in their facility. They're creating an incentive for their OEM to take an interest in the performance of that asset, not just at the single point in time where it gets installed, but over its life cycle. And with these advanced manufacturing assets, that's where most of the complexity lies. You can contract with any number of machine builders to bring in a piece of equipment to, on day one, prove that they can hit a particular throughput level or availability over a short period of time. The real question is, what is the value that's created when you're able to achieve that and have an incentive for the OEMs to help you achieve that over its entire life cycle? We think those are the kinds of relationships that end users will benefit from when it comes to machine as a service.